Rolando's H.V.A.C, your HVAC contractor in Tampa, Florida. At Rolando's H.V.A.C, we take pride in offering top-quality heating and cooling services. With a combined 200 years of experience, our certified professionals deliver reliable and affordable solutions for all your HVAC needs, from repairs and installations to replacements and maintenance. You can trust us to keep your home comfortable all year round with AC repair, air conditioner replacement, air conditioning maintenance, H.V.A.C installation, heater installation and repair, furnace services, and heat pump solutions. Keep watching to learn more about our reliable heating and cooling services in Tampa. Contact Rolando's H.V.A.C today at rolandoshvac.com or call 813-373-6804 to get a free quote.